Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to stop and cancel a pending payment on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. At the bottom of the screen, tap the activity icon, which looks like a small clock. This will take you to your transaction history, where you can see all completed and pending payments. Remember, you can only cancel payments that are still pending. If a transaction is already completed, the cancel option won't appear. If you don't see the cancel option or need help, go back to the home screen and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select support, then tap chat. Send a message to a Cash App support member and provide details like the date, amount, and recipient's name. They can assist you with canceling the pending transaction if it's still possible. And that's it. That's how you stop and cancel a pending payment on Cash App. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.